Imagine your entire house goes dark because one bulb blew. Nightmare, right? Now imagine removing one bulb and all the others stay perfectly bright. Same house, same electricity, two very different circuits. Welcome to series and parallel, the most important lesson in your home. In a series circuit, current has only one path to travel. All the bulbs are connected in a single line, like beads on a necklace. Current flows through every bulb, one after another. Remove one bulb, the chain breaks. All bulbs go dark. Also, the voltage is shared, so each bulb gets less power and glows dimmer. In a parallel circuit, each bulb gets its own path from the power source. Remove one bulb, its path disappears, but all other paths still work. Each bulb gets the full voltage, so they all glow brighter. This is exactly how your home is wired. Every switch controls one branch. Turn off your fan, your light stays on. Because parallel, series, one path, shared voltage, one failure breaks all. Parallel, many paths, full voltage each, independent operation. Series is simpler to build. Parallel is smarter to use. That is why every house, every building, every city runs on parallel wiring. The next time you plug in your phone charger while the TV is running, thank the parallel circuit. They share the power source but never share the path. Each device independent, each branch complete. Series teaches us what connection looks like. Parallel teaches us what freedom looks like. In circuits, and maybe in life too. And the best part? At Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust, we bring exactly this kind of science to life. Hands-on, visual, joyful, and completely free for schools across Mumbai. If you want your students to experience the wonder of science this way, write to us at info@ratnanidhi.org or WhatsApp us at 74989899292, because every child deserves to fall in love with science. We are Ratna Nidhi, and this is what we do.